Gang! What up, Smart Rapper Gang? I want to first let you know I have something very special, very free, and it's really going to interest you, but I'm going to release that video tomorrow. It's going to be a Christmas gift to all of you, so please make sure to watch tomorrow's video. If you don't see it, you're going to miss out. You're not going to get something that I'm only giving away for free for Christmas for smart rappers, okay? Right now I'm gonna talk to you guys about who won the Legion Beats contest as well as a couple other things real quick. First off, I wanna thank everybody, all y'all in the smart rapper community, because we have over 3,000 members in the smart rapper community. And it's funny because it takes a lot of companies. You know, it only takes a company after they launch something to get 3,000 members or like app downloads and stuff like that. Like we did that already in less than 2 months. So I want to thank all you guys for that. Number two, we have a smart rapper app coming, so it's gonna be easier access on your phone. You'll be able to take courses easier. Everything will load a lot faster. It's gonna be really good. That's coming. Three, I have a new show on my channel coming, like a reality show. It's gonna, you guys watch it, you'll be able to learn what I'm doing to help your career as well. It's really cool. Number four, if you wanna win microphones, the video on that is actually gonna be releasing on this channel. I think I have it scheduled for January 8th, and it's gonna show you how you can win microphones, because I'm gonna give away microphones every month, okay? 3 microphones actually, and if we get to 10,000 subscribers on the Rap School channel, I'll put a link below, before the end of the year, I'm gonna give away 5 microphones in January. And then I came up with this idea today, and I love this. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give away another microphone every month. Here's what I'm gonna do. Every day on my Instagram, starting January 1st, I do a word of the day. So you wanna learn a word of the day to increase your vocabulary? I'm gonna do a word of the day on my story, so watch my story every day. And then I'm also gonna say, whoever uses the word the best, you'll be able to put your response there. Whoever uses the word the best inside of a sentence, and the person who does it the best and wins the most out of the 30 days, like let's say that 4 times out of the month, you did the word the best. You used the word of the day the best in a sentence. I'm gonna give you a microphone. Okay, you'll also get shouted out if you're the best person that day, so you can get shouted out to over 320,000 followers of mine every day. That's possible. So follow me on Instagram, Rob_level. Here's the incentive for that. One, it means that you're really gonna wanna learn that word, right? Because every day you're gonna try to use that word. So you're gonna get smarter, you're gonna increase your vocabulary by me doing this. Even if you don't win the microphone, you're still trying every day. So this is gonna help you learn words with me, okay? Number two, you can win a microphone for doing this. Number three, you can get shouted out. So every day you have a chance to get shouted out, okay? This is for you guys, all right? Check that out. So follow me on Instagram, Rob_level. I'm gonna start doing that January 1st. Get ready for that. Now let's talk about who won. There was a lot of really good submissions here. And you know what? I have to say this. People submitted songs and then I had to send them to Legion. And I was like, is this a Legion beat? And then he's like, no. Because some of these songs I was like, yo, this shit's hard. And you got disqualified because you didn't freaking use a Legion beat. It's a Legion beat contest, guys. Sips coffee, sets coffee down. It's in the script. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so I'm gonna name not only people who won, but honorable mentions. People who are like, these were good, or there's even one that's like funny as hell. Like I'm not trying to make fun of them, but it was funny as hell. So I wanna mention that one too, okay? First place, we got James Pack. Your song, Nick Young. Again, I can't remember how to pronounce your name. It's War. You won first, so I'm gonna give you that Xbox, okay?
Okay, I stay fitted. All these styles they rap, I did it. On my grind, I'm about my business. I will never start war, but you know I finish. When I'm rapping, I'm packing passion, I'm backing, no lacking. All these rappings on you looking like you got acne. I got the killer flow, started as a young finna blow. So I hit my goal, they wanna know, rob with the dough, taking you home.
Second place was What's Good TJ, 100 volts.
This is the time of your life. Got me into the light. Who am I? Can't decide. It's energy. I could find it at night. Leave me blind, that's alright. I can climb to new heights when you're into me.
Number three was DJ Dewey, Game On.
Game on, daddy needs an Xbox. Create bars, hit him with the headshot. Pretty sure myself, I never guess not. You could tell who works hard as hell and who's the guest spot.
Best cross genre mention, X John, Understand It. Best pre-made hooks mention. This is where there was already a hook on the beat, and I prefer for you guys to make your own hooks, because a big part of everything is I try to tell you, you need to learn how to make hooks. So if somebody else made a hook and they also rap very well, they had the potential to win more than you did, right? And that's obvious because they put more effort into the song, okay? Just letting you know. But I still want to mention people who did great with that. You had Tron Claude Van Damme, and then you had Smile and Flip It.
Yeah, he made 2 different songs.
Oh, so he won twice, but didn't win because he did the pre-made.
Yeah.
So he did great on
Did
2
you
of
say
them.
the third?
Special mention, Potential, And obviously, and Sutton went through a lot of these. I went through them with her, but she kind of like rounded them out. We knew who had won once we heard them, you know what I'm saying? Special mention, Potential, which was one that we liked, was Merc Raps. It's called Pick and Choose. And then the funniest mention was the One-Armed Bandit, Hope You Like Me, and I'm gonna play a snippet of that as well.
Rapper, yeah, rapper. I hope you like it. I'm asking for donations. Please, I'm broke. I hope you like it. Check out my SoundCloud. I hope you like it. I'm a rapper. I hope you like it.
Right, okay, and then honorable mentions for people that we did like was, we like WST, Liv Leo, Precise Digla, and then Young Menace the Don. Like, all you guys did great, and thank you for everybody who submitted. So, James Pack, I'm gonna send you your Xbox. Second and third place, you'll also get posted on the Smart Rapper Instagram story and shouted out and tagged, okay? And yeah, looks like that's it. So get ready tomorrow, because I'm gonna give you guys something special for Christmas, something free. Everyone's gonna love this. Free, okay? You'll find out tomorrow. Make sure you watch tomorrow's video, okay? It was just more.
There were a lot of good songs that didn't get in the top because they used a hook.
Yeah, but the thing was like they may have rapped well, but like we needed to see their hook ability for them to be able to shine more. You know what I'm saying? To outdo the people who did do. You know what I'm saying? So like a lot, and also just so you guys know, for anybody who's like, oh, I didn't win, it comes down to a lot. So there's like the vibe that the song created, the energy and the passion and the voice, or at least the style that had been developed on those beats, the tone, like how it sounded on first listen. There's a lot of good stuff. So thanks to everybody who submitted. And this whole contest, the whole reason for this was because I wanted you guys to actually get up your ass, and I wanted you to at least make a song, right? So that's really what it was for. It wasn't to win anything. It was for you to get up and make music and have a reason to do it to get better. You know what I'm saying? So that's everything for you. I'm gonna contact the winners through email, because we obviously have your emails because you submitted. And then we're gonna shout you out on the Smart Rapper Instagram. Congratulations to everybody who got off their ass and actually made their songs, okay? See you guys tomorrow with another video, and for your Christmas special, tons of new videos coming, tons of amazing videos coming, and also all those other updates that I gave you. See you guys tomorrow. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you tomorrow, and at the top.